Having trouble sending SMS on your Xiaomi phone? This often happens due to network issues or cellular settings. Don't worry, there are some easy ways to fix it. Let's check them out. Solution 1. Reset SIM radio power. Open your phone dialer. Dial **4636 #***. Select phone information 1 or 2 depending on the SIM you're using. This will show you your SIM details. Now toggle off mobile radio power for 10 seconds and turn it back on. This will refresh the setting. After this, swipe down to open your phone's control center. Toggle on airplane mode for 10 seconds. After that, toggle it off. Now restart your phone. A simple reboot can sometimes clear out temporary glitches. Once that's done, try checking your issue. If the issue persists, let's move on to the advanced solutions. Solution 2. Check signal connection and switch network. Make sure you're in an area with strong network coverage. SMS won't send if you're in an area with poor or no network connection. After making sure of that, go to Settings. Tap on SIM cards and mobile networks. On some devices, you will have this option as mobile networks. Now tap on your SIM card. Then open preferred network type and select 4G, 3G, or 2G depending on the available signal strength. Solution 3. Restart your phone. Restart your device by holding down the power button and select Restart or Reboot. This can help clear temporary glitches in the network connection. After rebooting, try sending the SMS again. And that's it. These are the ways to fix your SMS not send problem. If it's still not working, just leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out.